Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have already imported the video that we're going to use in this tutorial. Now let's add the video to the timeline. All right, guys, now we have the video in our timeline. So there are two ways that you can duplicate videos in Capcut PC. Here is the first method. Just select the video, then do Control C, and you can see this yellow line on the timeline. From this line, your duplicate video will start. So let's take this at the start, then do Control V. Now you have a duplicate video, and you can take this video anywhere on the timeline. Now I'm going to show you the second method. Select the video, then right-click and copy the video. Then again, right-click and paste here. We go, you have a duplicate video. Now you can play with the duplicate video and also minimize the duplicate size. That's how you can duplicate in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching the video.